Today, let's we see the topic of time and space complexity. Here, the important one is DSA, that is a data structure algorithm. Data structure means how you arrange the data or how to organize the data, that is known as a data structure. Algorithm means step by step procedure to solve a problem. Some algorithm will take more time and more memory. For algorithm, we define how much time takes and memory takes. That is known as a time and space complexity. Let me see briefly about time complexity. Every algorithm requires some amount of computer time to execute its instruction to perform the task. This computer time required is called time complexity. The time complexity of an algorithm is the total amount of time required by an algorithm to complete its execution. Here are some example for time complexity. That is, first example is swap function. By using swap function, here the c equal to a and c equal to a, that is run for one time, and a equal to b, that is run for one time, and b equal to c run for one time. So totally 3 times it will run. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. First we have to find the time function, then only we have to find the time complexity. Time function means each statement how many times it will run, it is known as a time function. Here it will run for 1 plus 1 plus 1, so 3 times. Each statement run one time, so it is order of 1, and the n power 0, here there is no n, so n power 0. So next, how to calculate the time complexity? We have to calculate by using degree of the time function, that is the highest power of n is the time complexity. Here the highest power of n is 0, so the time complexity is order of 1. Next we will see other example by using the for loop. In this for loop, in this statement, for loop run for n plus 1 time. Let me take example, that is n equal to 10. So at last condition 10 less than n means the condition will be fail, but it will execute 10th time also the statement executed. Only thing is the condition is false and it come out, but it execute. So the for loop is run for n plus 1 time and not for n time. Then a of 1 equal to I, that statement will run for 1 time. So totally the time function is n plus 1 plus 1, n plus 2 times. So time complexity is highest power of n, here the 1. So time complexity is order of n. Let me see other example, different example, that is by we using a for loop inside the another for loop. So in first for loop it will run for n plus 1 time, like before. Inside the for loop it will run for n times and also n plus 1 time, so totally n into n plus 1 time it will run. Then I plus plus is run for 1 time, so totally n plus 1 plus n square plus n plus 1, so n square plus 2n plus 2 is the time function. So the highest power of n is 2, so the time complexity of here is order of n square. These are the example of time complexity. Now we will see time complexity of binary search. First of all, the binary search means we have to divide the list into half and we have to search the particular number. That is a binary search. For example, in the sorted list, we have to search the element 10, means the following steps should be followed. That is, to find the middle number. First we have to find the middle number. If it is less than the middle number means we have to search in left. If it is greater than the middle number means we have to search in right side of the middle number. This is the rules for the binary search. Whereas in linear search, if we want to search element 10 means we have to traverse from first to go for 9 times and we will find the element 10. So time taken is high, so only we using a binary search. Here first we have to find the middle number, that is 5. So 5 less than 10, that means we have to go to right side. In right side, the middle number is 8. That is 8 less than 10. It will now in another search, by third search, it will find the element 10. By using only 3 search, we find that element. Whereas in linear search, we have to traverse 9 times. So only we using binary search. Here the time complexity of binary search is how to find the time complexity for binary search. That is, the binary search time complexity is log 2 of n, log base 2 n, order of log base 2 n. That means how many times the 2 has been multiplied to reach that element n. That only the explanation for this. For example, the element is 10. That means we have to multiply 2 3 times. That is 2 into 2 into 2. That means answer is 8. If we multiply another 2 means 8 into 2, it is 16. It is greater than 10. So we stop till 3 elements. That is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. That means 3 search will be needed to find the element 10. This will be procedure for finding the time complexity of the binary search. Then we will see about the space complexity. When we design an algorithm to solve a problem, it needs some computer memory to complete its execution. For any algorithm, memory is required for the purposes like to store the program instruction and the constant values and variable values and few things like jumping statement, function calls. For these all we need memory. Total amount of computer memory required by an algorithm to complete its action is called as space complexity. That is, for algorithm we define how much memory will take. That is known as a space complexity.